Welcome. If you wanna use face recognition on your Samsung Galaxy A9 2018, let's tap on the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and tap on the lock screen. Then we have entered the screen lock type, draw your lock method, and tap on the face. And as you can see, we have to press on the continue. And there's the question that we are wearing the glasses right now. Of course I'm not wearing, so there is no answer. Tap on the continue. And currently the smartphone cannot recognize my face because there's a camera in front of me. But if I take it off, it will be easy. So, thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.